Hey guys, what's up? So another year, another move by Apple that a lot of Android manufacturers will be following. So with the iPhone 12 series, Apple announced that they won't be shipping these phones with chargers or earphones in the box. That would lead to less e-waste, but we all kind of know the real reason behind this move by Apple, which is to earn more profit. It might help the environment as well in the long run, but since Apple isn't reducing the price of the new phones as they no longer bundle these accessories in the box, they will be making more profit on each unit sold. So the entire Android world took a jibe at Apple for doing this, be it Samsung, Xiaomi or even OnePlus. However, just weeks after mocking Apple, Samsung seems to be thinking to take the same route. Yes, according to South Korean media, Samsung is thinking about removing the charger and headphones from the box of the upcoming Galaxy S21 series. The decision is not final yet and they may or may not remove these accessories entirely. Samsung might bundle the charger and remove just the earphones from the box like a lot of Chinese manufacturers already do. And some fresh rumors are indicating that Samsung might bundle a pair of Galaxy Buds Beyond with their upcoming flagship phones. So they are removing the AKG branded earphones from the box, but you may get wireless earphones which are well over $150, which is awesome. Now this may be a part of the special pre-order window which Samsung has been doing for some time now, and it's not clear whether these will ship inside the box or as a separate gift accessory, so fingers crossed. Now unlike Apple that has been supplying a USB Type-A charger up until the iPhone 11 series, while bundling a USB Type-C to Type-C cable in the iPhone 12's box so that people have to buy a USB Type-C adapter, Samsung has been supplying a Type-C fast charger in the box for years and might be in a better position to pull this off. That being said, even if Samsung has been supplying a fast enough charger, I think consumers should be able to get a charger for free if they desire so, especially if the price of these accessories hasn't been deducted from the phone's actual price. And although Samsung isn't removing the charger now, removing the headphones is a clear indication that they might do it in the future. Anyway, Samsung isn't the only brand that might do it. You can expect other Android manufacturers to follow suit in the near future. Also in the news, the renders that we saw earlier for the Galaxy S21 Ultra have been updated, and we now have another camera as part of the setup on the Ultra, which is most probably a depth sensor. So a few weeks ago we heard that the Galaxy S21 Ultra might have a penta-camera setup, and that's exactly what we are seeing here. With the addition of this additional lens, the setup looks more complete than before. I mean, the earlier one looked kind of weird to me. Nothing seems to have changed apart from that. The phone is rumored to get 2 telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x or more optical zoom capability, along with a 108MP ISOCELL bright HM2 primary and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. There have been rumors that Samsung might do away with the depth sensors on their phones, but seems like they have changed their mind, especially since the iPhone 12 Pros get the LiDAR sensor. In fact, Samsung has just announced a new time-of-flight sensor named ISOCELL Vision 33D, which is an improved version of the ISOCELL Vision sensors found in the S20 and the Note 10 series. Also, we have more information on the build of the Galaxy S21. So according to Jimmy's promo, the base S21 will feature a glass back and not a plastic one like the Note 20. It's good to see that they are not cheaping out on the materials. The sides are also said to be flat, and even the camera bump won't be as big, which is a nice design upgrade. Also, Rossiang has given us the colors of all the 3 models in the series. So the S21 will come in 4 different colors, including grey, pink, violet and white. Nothing too fancy I guess, but the violet one might be the one to look out for. The S21 Plus surprisingly only gets 2 colors, black and silver, while Ultra gets black, silver and violet. So violet seems to be the new color in the flagship series, and we'll have to see how it turns out. Also, the phones will come out with One UI 3.1 and not One UI 3.0, which means that Samsung might be working on an update for the skin that will run on top of Android 11. John Prosser has also shared the launch of the S21 series, which according to him will be announced on the 14th of January, and the company will begin taking pre-orders for the device on the same day. The phones will hit the socials in the same month as well on the 29th of January. A spokesperson of Samsung has also kind of hinted at an early launch for the S21, so these dates might be legit. John also gave us the colors of the phones, which are black, white, grey, silver, violet and pink that we kind of already know. We also have the tentative launch date for the Galaxy Z Flip 2 that might be launched in the spring of 2021. It was reported earlier that the phone has been postponed to Q3 of 2021, but seems like that's not the case and it will launch at the usual time, which also indicates that it will have its own launch event as the S21 series is rumored to be announced in January. Samsung is focusing a lot on foldable smartphones, so this seems logical. This is all the Samsung news that I had for you in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like it if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye-bye and stay safe.